Here I want to look briefly at an example of a header file that I've written. You'll find it in the source code archive for step 8 in the project 04_header files. In this sample project, you'll see that I've created a source code file called mystring.c. And this contains the readlin function, which I wrote in chapter 4, and also a version of the search string function from chapter 7. By placing these functions in their own file, that's in mystring.c, it makes it easy for me to reuse them in different projects. Every project that needs these functions just needs to access this file and its associated header file, and that is the header file mystring.h, which you can see here. In this file, I declare my two functions plus a constant called buff size. Notice, by the way, that it's not necessary to provide the parameter names in the function. So, for example, if you look at readlin here and compare that with the actual implementation, here I've named the parameters s and maxlen, but in the header file I've just put the parameter types, which in this case is an array of char and an int. The main.c file, the main file of my program here, includes this header file like this. Now this file now has access not only to the functions declared in mystring.h, that's readlin and search string, but also the buff size constant, which was also declared, if you remember, up here, and so I've been able to use that constant as well in the file that includes the header file. And so when I run it, you can see that I've been able to gain access to the functions and the constant through that process of inclusion.